This is a short video demonstration about ProgrammExpress, a web-based portfolio program and project reporting, or as some may call it, a light PPM solution. Now, our aim is to automate project reporting, replace labor-intensive manual processes with a quick-to-implement, simple and intuitive, and cost-effective solution. So we've prepared a short video demonstration for Marks and Spencer's using the logo, and you'll see also using your brand identity with the color palettes and logos within the application. So ProgrammExpress is a cloud-based solution, so each of our clients has a URL. This is a demo system, so it's demo10.programmexpress.co.uk. So I'm going to log on as an administrator. You can either be an administrator, a write access user, or a read-only user. An administrator gets to see all the projects within the portfolio and gets to see all the functionality and all the modules. This takes us to our home screen where we can open up a demo structure. Each of our clients will have their own structure of the portfolios, programs and projects. You can have as many levels and sub-levels as required. But most things you can do from, from this home screen. You can view the health and status of the projects on the screen using the red, amber, green methodology, showing the functionality shown within icons on the home screen, but better described through the Updates tab as commentary, plan, resources, costs, benefits, impacts, risks, and logs. And from this screen, you can run reports using reports that you have set up and configured within your own user license, or shared reports that have been shared with you by the central projects team, the program office, or the PMO. Now, the whole idea of ProgrammExpress is about simple data input across a lot of projects, powerful project program and portfolio reporting output. From a user experience in terms of simple data input, if we quickly log on as a project manager or a user, they log on, same home screen, same database, but a different view. So their view will be filtered by the projects that they have write access to, and they could view anything that they have read access to as well. And it also shows filtered functionality in terms of this is what's expected of them in terms of updates, and it's commentary, plan, costs, and risks. So you can have as many filtered roles and views as you want. This is just an example. So from a project manager's perspective, they'd be expected to select, click on the square, this is commentary, see what they said last time. They could view the audit trail, make their updates to the narrative using the commentary threads, which are configurable, move through to the planning screen, make their updates, the plan screen, move through to the costs, again, change the forecast, add a cost item, amend the risks, view the current risk register, make any changes, RAG status, more risks, mitigating actions, etc. Now, once the project manager has made their updates, they're more than likely going to see the data in a report. So we'll show one example report, a one-page summary, which drops down nicely as a PowerPoint slide. So we can see here the project and the RAG information, bit of milestone information, financials, and the commentary threads that we've configured for this report. So that's just one example of a project report. So assuming that all the project managers have made their periodic updates, the administrator can log back in. So we're going to go back into the screen we started with. Typo there, apologies. And now that we're confident that the health of the data, and there are plenty of audit trails and audit reports to ensure that, we're probably going to be drawn to some of the big issues across the portfolio in terms of red. So we could hide the green and we could filter out the ambers, and there we can see where the problem areas are. So we can drill down, use an example of Project 1C. There's a problem there within the costs. Click on the red square and we'll see there that the forecast exceeds the planned, out of variance, and therefore out of tolerance and a red status. More likely, and this is where the power of ProgrammExpress is, that the administrator would want to run program or portfolio reports. So if we go to the portfolio and run reports, because this is the top level, it will produce data for every program and every project within the organization. And let's run an example, reg status summary. This is our bread and butter Excel style report, but now it's aggregated and consolidated, summarized into an Excel looking report. And this is available now to run real time. And you'll see the projects that are sitting within the programs and the columns and the data that we've configured for this specific report. A bit of planning information, a bit of reg and a bit of commentary. Or we may want to have a look at a Gantt chart report, again at portfolio level. You can run these reports at any level, but now we can see the Gantt chart or the plan view of every program and project sitting within the portfolio. And we use the red, amber, green theme for our taskbars. Red meaning it's missed today's date, and amber meaning it's forecasting to be later than was originally expected. And one more example, resource usage summary, again, an Excel style report that's aggregated and consolidated, doesn't run independently. Resources are aligned to the plan, and this is the type of output, or one of the types of output that we can produce, where we can show all our resources, what projects they're working on, number of days in a period, and aggregated up to the total resource level for that period, and therefore showing where we have any problems or over allocations of resource. So having seen that short video, if you think there's a potential requirement, I'd like to get in touch. Here are our contact details and the call to action. Well, we've already developed the short demo with your own brand identity, but potentially arrange a webinar with showing fuller functionality. That was just a short demo. A face-to-face meeting would be preferable, and it would hopefully lead to planning a pilot implementation. Thank you very much for watching.